Creators are currently making a lot of money using AI influencers on different platforms like Instagram, TikTok, you name it. And the good news is that you can do it by yourself in few simple steps like I'm going to show you in today's video. It's all doable and completely free of charge. So see you soon on the other side. The first tool we are going to be using is ChatGPT because it's very well trained for things like this, okay? So let's go ahead and give it our first prompt. Now we are going to make sure that we explain to ChatGPT the kind of AI influencer we want to create. So let me input the prompt really quick. Like you can see on the screen, our prompt says, I want to create a brown African beautiful female AI beauty influencer for my Instagram page. Can you come up with a proper character description? So let's click on generate to see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. I'm really excited to see because it has good visuals and good descriptions. Okay, so like you can see, it has the character name for us, Amania, meaning grace and purpose. It has the overview of the character. It has the appearance, fashion style, all these things over here, personality and voice, aesthetic style for posts, hashtags and keywords. So we are going to be working with this. So give yourself time to go through all these details, and we are going to get to head over to our next tool, which is going to help us bring this character to life. So this is going to be our consistent character that we will be using for our social media posts. Okay. So for the next step, we'll obviously need like a general prompt that is going to help us bring the visuals of our influencer to life. So like you can see down here, ChatGPT ended with this message over here saying, would you like me to help you develop her Instagram bio plus content strategy like post types, tone, captions, and brand positioning? So I was like, yes, but first create a ready to use prompt I can use to bring her to life. We are going to generate that so that it can give us the prompt, to bring our character to life, like I said. Like you can see right now, we have a ready prompt to use. So I'm going to first focus only on the prompt, and we'll come back later to the styles and negative prompts. So let's go ahead and highlight this really well, copy. Then the next tool we are going to be using is Google Gemini, which you can access via gemini.google.com. So we are going to be using this latest model over here, the 2.5 Flash. And all we have to do is to come down here and we change the settings from tools. So click on the tools button, then choose this option of create images with Nano Banana. Okay, so we are going to click on that just like that, and we are going to paste our prompt over here. Okay, then we will submit our prompt to see the results that they are going to generate for us. You can see, voila, we have our image of Amania, and she's gorgeous. She's giving. I like everything about her, so I wouldn't change a thing. Now, what we are going to do is to move on to our next step to start creating images for, our Instagram. Okay. So we are going to come back to ChatGPT and we are going to give it a new prompt. Before you generate new ideas or before you give ChatGPT a prompt, always go back to the last message it had for you, then read it to see what it's suggesting for you, okay, before you proceed. So the last one here says, would you like me to generate 5 themed variants? For example, a mania at a luxury rooftop cafe, a mania skincare shoot, a mania in tropical vacation mode, all in the same cinematic style, so they match your Instagram feed. So if that's something you want, you can go ahead and type in yes, like you can see. I was trying to type yes, but I sent before I finished it. However, ChatGPT picked on that and it gave me a detailed prompts over here that we can use to generate more images of our avatar. And like you can see, it's very detailed, but here is something I want to show you. So for this first prompt over here, the first line, I had already trained it in my previous images because I was testing it if it would give consistent images if I upload my own images. That's why you see it remembers this prompt and it gave us, I have attached my close-up and full image and without changing facial and body features, then it goes ahead to give the prompt. So this is because I had already trained it to do that. Okay, like I said, it remembers everything. Now, all I'm going to do is to take out this. We will try out that prompt later on when we are attaching images. So that works well even when you want to use yourself as an avatar, like you want to use your body, your face. So we'll come back to that. Let me just take out this prompt where it starts with create a realistic cinematic portrait with a mania. Then it describes what we want. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything. Actually, I want to highlight the first one. Or you can take the entire prompt over here, then you can edit it later on in um, Google Gemini. So come back here and paste it over here, okay? Just like this. So I suggest that you should download this image to work as a reference every time you come back to generate, okay? So that you don't lose other details of the image, like the face, okay? Because sometimes AI forgets. So what I like to do is to download my image. Actually, now our prompt will make sense. Let's first download the image, then we are going to attach it to this prompt, okay? So we don't even need to change the prompt. Hopefully that makes sense. So after downloading the image, you're going to come back down here where there is a plus symbol. You're going to click on it just like that. Then you're going to click on upload. You will allocate the image on your device where you saved it exactly, and then you're going to go ahead to upload it. So you'll be doing this every time you come to generate a new image so that the AI understands exactly what image it's working with, okay? So we are going to go ahead and click on this option of submit to see the results that we are going to come up with. So for the first image, we got the exact results like the first image we generated simply because it was the same prompt. So there weren't many changes, like you can see, okay? It just repeated the same image for us down here. So I had to go ahead and work with the next prompt for skincare, and this is how it turned out. So let's try our third prompt over here, which is the tropical vacation mode to see the results we are going to get this time around. So I had already inserted the image following the steps we took earlier on. Like I told you, you come to the plus button and then you upload the image. Then you're just going to go ahead and click on this option of submit, sit and wait until the results are ready. This is how it turned out like. I think this is gorgeous. We are still working with the same person. I really love this tool for consistency. Like it gives what it should, like you can see. So now on a daily basis, all you have to do is to always come back to ChatGPT under the same chat, and you just come and command it based on what you want for that day or for that week. Now, like you can see, I just came down here and I said more prompts. Then this time around, I want beach vibes, bikinis, cabanas, like you can see. So it has given me the options over here. So all you have to do is always come back just like this, highlight, copy, go back to Gemini, paste it over here, just like this, upload your image, okay? Repeat the process. So in instances where you want to work with a face and a body, like to keep the same body type, you can upload two images of the face and the body because this tool allows you to attach as many images as you want. So you can add two images at a time, one for the face and then one for the body. And this is where our prompt comes in. It says, I've attached my close up and full image. Okay, that's the purpose of this prompt. And it will give you the same exact results. You can try that out later on after running this prompt. So let's click on submit to see the results we are going to get. Like you can see on the screen, this is how that image turned out like. I think this is very beautiful. It's very gorgeous. It maintained all the details of our character, and I love everything so much. So now let's say that we want her, like we want more images of her on the same day, and we also want to view her full body or to get an image of her entire body because right now we don't have any image of her entire body. I have a new prompt that we can use here. It says maintaining everything consistent and at the same beach, make her surf on water with her entire beautiful body showing, include beautiful visible feet. So we are going to click on submit and we wait for the results that they're going to generate for us. And guys, just like that, we have an image of her surfing on water. So the AI was able to remember her details. I didn't have to attach the image, but to be on a safer side, always attach the images that you are working with for consistency. Okay, like you can see now we have a full body image of her. All you have to do is to download these images. So I want a new image of the same day, maybe when she's grabbing a drink at a beach bar. So I'm going to give it a new prompt. If you notice on the screen, I've already uploaded 2 images of her in the same outfit. So here when she was at the cabana, and then this one over here when she's surfing. So these are the ones that are going to describe or give the AI the understanding of her body type and her facial features. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So all you have to do is to come over here and you put a new prompt saying maintaining full body consistency, full body and facial, full body, okay, facial features, hair and outfit. Or simply you can say I'm maintaining everything consistent, okay, because it understands better if you say that. Let me just keep it like that, maintaining everything consistent. Make her sip on a drink near a beach bar. Okay, so we are going to click on submit and we see the results we are going to get. So these are the results that it has provided us with. So she's not wearing the same clothes. I guess that has to do with the prompt we provided. So it just sends from one of the images it generated earlier on, this one over here. It tried to match the outfit to that. However, still the outfit is not the same. So it didn't have these hands over here. So if you can go with that, then that's okay. However, if you want her to be wearing the same outfit or a certain outfit, just make sure you attach the image of the outfit, then give a detailed prompt that describes exactly what you want, and this AI is going to do the magic for you. Take advantage of tools like ChatGPT for prompt. You don't have to hustle doing it by yourself. When you can take advantage of tools like that, they do it really well. Okay, so guys, once you're happy with your results, all you have to do is to come back here and you click on the download button over here. Then your images are going to download onto your device. That way you'll be able to upload them onto your social media platforms just like that. Guys, what do you think of this tool? Is it something you're going to explore or it's a complete no? I personally think this is one of the best tools I've seen when it comes to image consistency and keeping all the details really clean and neat. I don't know. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section down below. And with all of that being said, this brings us to the end of this video. Please, guys, support this channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.